Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I use peel and stick contact paper to transform my mirrored nightstands. I went for a more organic Bali vibe design this time around, and I thought the black matte would be better than the mirrored nightstands. So I'll just show you guys how it looks. Oh, it's a little messy in here. So this is how it came out. And this is totally removable, so when I want to change my apartment again, I will do another sort of pattern or design. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out.